Namaste. Today I want to share with you a clip from one of my online classes where we're using the chair in a variety of mobility drills to prepare ourselves to get into Hanumanasana, which is the splits. This particular video does not include a warm-up, so be sure you get warmed up before you jump in. And I have a variety of warm-up videos regardless of what platform you're viewing this on. And I hope you enjoy. Please contact me if you're interested in joining our class. So all we're going to do at first, Kristen, is we're just going to do some dog rolls on the chair. So nice and easy, nice and user-friendly. So for this practice, you're definitely going to need a chair. It doesn't matter the exact height of the chair, but make sure that the chair is either against a wall or, as you can see, I have kind of a rickety chair, but all four legs of it are on the mat, so it's not going to slide. That's very important for this sequence. And we're just going to roll back and forth from upward dog to downward dog on the chair. So for now, we're just doing a few dog rolls, but this is really just the warm-up. So it's an upward downward flow on the chair. Seamless flow. Couple more. Last one. Okay, and now we're going to step up onto the chair for the next one. Instead of going into the dog, we're going to take a big and mighty step up on the chair. I've got my inside leg or my right leg, and I'm going to do this lunge, a chair lunge. And if I want to take my head back and really max it out, I can, or I can keep my head up. But my sitting bone's coming all the way to my heel. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to do this stretch. I think they call this reverse lunge. Wow, my back is really crotchety tonight. So hands are on the chair. It's a big hamstring stretch. And more than the hamstring, it's yes.
Yeah, it's a strong stretch.
It's a strong stretch. We need this for Hanuman. Okay, so either flex your foot if you want or point your toe. Okay, and then we're going to go back and forth to the lunge. So just kind of ease into the back of the leg slowly, because I know it's intense. Imagine how it is for Robert.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just still trying to get him to straighten his leg, you know. I mean, to him it feels straight. It feels straight because he's hitting resistance. And the resistance is there not because the leg is straight, but because there's a block. You know, but we've all got our own kind of blocks.
Yes.
So this is why we flow it back and forth, because, you know, when we go dynamic like this, we just create a lot of movement. We give all those little tight, stuck, stagnant places an opportunity to allow the flow to go through them. Because everything in this universe is changing, including our bodies. One more. Is it getting easier?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Didn't sound very convincing. Last one.
Well, it's still morning time here.
I know. It's not fair, huh? I got a PM body. Okay, here we go. Back to chair dog. And just as kind of a little spacer or a vinyasa, we're going to do one more, just a plain chair up dog. Just flow. And then a chair, down dog. That's it. Okay, and then here we go. Other side, outside leg or left leg. Step up into that lunge. Take it back if you want. Take the head back or just keep the head upright. And then start your pulls. So this is the best, or one of the best ways to prep for Hanuman, because here's your back bend leg, right, or your back leg, and here's your forward bend leg. And Hanuman is one of those paradoxical poses that's a forward bend and back bend at the same time. So it also trains us for all forward bending poses and all backward bending poses. If we master Hanuman, then we've really got, a foot in the door on a lot of different poses. So just take your time, work at your own pace, just get that juice going. One more. Ooh. Great, and then back to chair dog. Plain Jane downward facing dog on the chair. It's a really nice chest and shoulder stretch. You can drop your head through. Great. And then we're just kind of in a graceful movement, roll down to our knees, or even a not so graceful movement. It could be done. Could be done either way. And then we'll come into this prayer. So this is a great pose for anyone with tight shoulders, tight chest, maybe iffy things in the thoracic might show up here. So prayer pose on the chair. Walk your elbows close. And then you can experiment with really letting your back go into a banana, and then pulling your navel up and kind of rounding your back. So we're kind of doing a little bit of a cat movement in our spine while we're here in the prayer. Just a little one. Just experimenting with that. It's not going to be big. It's not going to be like it is when we're doing cat rolls. But it's the same idea. Woo! Okay, that's enough of that. Coming out of prayer. Woo! And we'll sit in angel here for a second.
Well,
how was it? Was that a little strong?
oh yeah, that was great. That was good.
Okay, good. Okay, we're not done. We're not done with the chair. We're just taking a little interlude here. Okay, now another fun one we did last night. We're going to do this chair, the chair version of dynamic table. So the first one is called, this is the cliffhanger. And then we're going to pop up into table. And it goes back and forth. So cliffhanger, it's pretty strong. And then sacrum up. Oh,
Oh my God.
yeah.
Oh my.
Oh my God. So when I drop my butt down towards my heels, I kind of have my feet wide. I have them a little bit wider than hips distance. My feet are actually slightly turned out, to be honest.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So when I drop down, I'm almost kind of in a squat with my legs. And I'm a little bit far from my chair to get the dynamic version of it. Whew. That's a warm-up. So I mean, anyone who used to have so-called frozen shoulder who can do this, I would say that they don't have, I'd say they don't have frozen shoulder anymore.
I think you're right.
Okay, last one.
Killer! Oh my God!
It's killer. It is killer. We got all the killers tonight.
That was so good for my triceps.
Okay, here we go.
Just get cut out for a while. Okay.
Okay, so I got both feet on the chair. I'm going to do my outside leg first, so my right leg is going to be my seahorse leg. I'm going to go 1, lift, 2, lift, 3, lift. We'll do 4, lift, put it down. Oh my God. Bird cat. Whew.
Wow.
Are we gonna make it? And then lunge. Okay, so we're gonna do Hanuman separately. This is just the prep. Okay, and then back to cat. Remember which knee was down. Okay, so mine was my right leg. My right knee was down. That means my right foot is going on the chair this time. Okay, and then right foot on the chair, so the left knee is now your seahorse knee. And we're going to go down, lift, 2, lift, 3, lift, 4, lift. Set it down, bird cat. So opposite hand, so if my right leg is extending, my left arm is going to extend. And then step that leg through, lunge. Whew. Great. Okay, I won't make us do that again.